How to subtract percentage on Excel. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can subtract percentage on Excel. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So here on this Excel sheet, here I have the value and here is the percentage. Now to subtract this percentage, here what you have to do is first of all select your first cell. Then you have to type in is equal to, then select your value cell. After that, then again type in subtract. Then again you have to select the same cell, then type in multiplied by your percentage value. Press enter in your keyboard. Now the percentage value is subtracted. Again click on the first cell, then you can drag this and then the value will be calculated automatically. That's it. That's how you can subtract percentage in Excel. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.